Okay, and we'll do it again. Good boy. Oh. Good. And he tensed up again. Good boy. And then we'll take it off. Good boy. Very good. And then again, yep. Oh, and he's tensing his back, yep. Good boy. And we'll just repeat that a few times. And I'm waiting for that tension to leave in his back. Yeah, he's tensing. I can feel it. He's tensing actually in his head too. I feel it all over. Good boy. Good. That's better. He's relaxed in his head now. His head actually just dropped. Good boy. Good boy. And one last time. Good boy. Good boy. Good. And now I'm going to take him for a little walk just to relax him out. Good.